Now we will see like the main important concept in Java, that is method overloading. If a class has multiple methods having the same name but different in parameters, it is known as method overloading. That means the class name will be same and it will be containing different parameters. That is called the method overloading. The advantage of method overloading is it increases the readability of the program. Means the same name only I can use again with only the changing of the parameters. So it will be a very useful feature in Java. So the different ways, there are two different ways to overload the method. So first one, by changing the number of arguments. For example, I have a program. I can give only two values like that. So changing the number of arguments and changing the data type. That means I want, for example, I want to do the sum of two programs. I can be do like first time I can do for two arguments and then I can go for three. The number of arguments. And again, the same thing, we can change the data type. That first time I can add two integer number, then I can add two floating numbers. So two ways of method overloading is there: number of arguments and number of data types. So first one we'll see how we can do the method overloading by changing the number of arguments. So in this, we have created two methods. First, what I shown in the example is add operation. In this, we are performing the number addition. And first time what we are making is, see, I'll show you this program. Okay, so this is a program. So the class name is adder, and here you can see what is static and initialized, and the arguments are A and B. So if it is A and B, what it has to return? A plus B. That means the two argument I am passing, the output will be A plus B. And here next to the same thing, see you can see this name of the method is the same thing, add, and what here the difference is, here I am giving the three arguments. That is the difference. Okay, so depending on the number of argument what I am passing, depending on that it will change. And see here system adder, see 11 and 11 I am giving. So what is happening? If I will given two arguments, what I will do? A plus B, 11 plus 11 it will come. If I am giving 11 plus 3 arguments, it will go to this particular box and it will do for 3 addition. So that means the same name, all these are coming in the same name, and what is the difference? It will be depending on the argument, depending on number of argument, it is going to that particular block. That's the first thing. And same thing, so what is this output, you know, right? So next one, method overloading by changing the data type. So now previous program what I shown is there two integer numbers. Now the same thing we can go for in the float or double or whatever. So now see this program. What is the methods? Method name is same only, add. See static in add. But what is happening here? It is double add. Why it is double? Because I am planning to add two double numbers. So if it's two double numbers, the result also will be double. So only I initialize as static double add. And here what happens is 11.11 and 11 I am given. So what is happening? It is integer only. So where it will go? It will go to the first thing, and A plus B, what A plus B will add, and the result 22 will be printed. Next time I'm given what 12.3 and 12.6, and the compiler will come to know it is not an integer, it's a float number, it is double number, it will come to know. So what is happening? It will go to the second one and it will add 12.3 and 12.6 and it will print. So the output will be 22 and 24.9. So I think it is very clear for you. That's method overloading. So there is one important concept in Java. In this, what actually we can do by two methods. First one, method overloading means name will be same, and depending on the number of argument or type of argument, we can change. That is called the method overloading. Two type is there. Method overloading with changing the number of arguments, and second method is changing the data type of arguments. So what is the advantage of method overloading is we can use the same code again. So the usability will be more. That is the advantage of method overloading. I think it is very clear for you. Thank you.